Hi, I'm Katy-K and I've got a psychic tip for you. And this is 5 pendulum tips. The first one, before purchasing a pendulum, ask if it wants to work with you. Then there's no use buying a pendulum if it isn't interested in working with you. Number 2, ensure that your pendulum is correctly attached to the center and is symmetrical. A wobbly pendulum or one that's off center is not going to work so well. Number 3, be present and only think of your question. Don't let your mind wander off and start thinking about other things because you'll confuse the pendulum. Number 4, don't influence the pendulum by thinking of the answer you want. Don't keep saying, say yes, 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 because that will influence the pendulum and give you the answer that could be incorrect. And number 5, don't use your pendulum while you are emotionally upset, because that will influence the pendulum.